Number 1. Cell Vault Battery Storage. Camping enthusiasts frequently encounter a common challenge: keeping essential items dry. To address this concern, several companies offer specialized containers for safeguarding items such as medications, bandages, batteries, and more. One such product is the Cell Vault from Therm, a reputable supplier of emergency and military accessories. This container stands out for its compatibility with the M attachment system. Capable of accommodating 2 AA or 4 AAA batteries, the Cell Vault is specifically crafted to withstand both dust and water. Available for purchase at $20, it provides a reliable solution for keeping essential items dry during camping adventures. Number 2. Fifth OPS. The components for the Fifth OPS alarm system come with a price tag of $50. While there are more economical alternatives available, the crucial question is whether these alternatives can be trusted. It is noteworthy that Fifth OPS collaborates with law enforcement and the military, and its founder possesses expertise in explosives. Opting for Fifth OPS components provides the opportunity to establish a robust alarm system. For example, you can combine flashbangs, 12-gauge blanks, and a 130 decibel siren. If these elements are not sufficient, the company also offers pepper spray. Additionally, the versatility of Fifth OPS components makes them suitable for both indoor and outdoor alarm setups. Number 3. BRS 99 Camping Stove. This portable stove is an ideal companion for camping, weighing only 6 kilograms and running on butane. When folded, it transforms into a compact form similar to a thermos. The stove's intelligent supports can hold cookware ranging from 10 to 26 centimeters in diameter, preventing overpressure. Equipped with a magnetic valve, it ensures efficient operation, and non-slip inserts in its legs maintain stability during cooking. The package includes the stove and a convenient storage bag, all available for $130. With its lightweight design, versatile cooking support, and safety features, this stove is a practical and efficient choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable cooking solution. Number 4. Folding Fish Trap. This enchanting fish trap is promoted as a hassle-free solution. Users simply follow 3 straightforward steps. Set the trap, place the bait inside, and submerge it into the water. After this, the trap demands no additional attention, freeing you to concentrate on other tasks. Its uncomplicated operation involves luring in fish with bait, preventing their escape. Depending on the model, the trap is equipped with either 6 or 12 holes, catering to the capture of fish, crabs, and even shrimp. Weighing 150 grams, the 6-hole variant is offered for purchase at $8, providing an accessible and user-friendly option for those looking to secure aquatic catches effortlessly. Number 5. Pinto Pulley. With a focus on providing customers with optimal benefits, the creators of this pulley have designed a secure and tamper-resistant device that demonstrates remarkable resilience against twisting. Its versatility is highlighted by its easy attachment to ropes, cords, and carabiners. Weighing a mere 11 grams, this pulley boasts a guaranteed tensile strength of 50 kN, ensuring its robust performance. Priced at $55 per unit, it stands as a cost-effective choice, offering durability and reliability for a range of applications. Whether used in outdoor activities, professional settings, or recreational pursuits, this pulley is engineered to meet the demands of various scenarios, delivering enhanced functionality and peace of mind to users. Number 6. Anti-Zver. The global population of stray dogs, as calculated by World Animal Protection, is staggering, reaching approximately 375 million. This spray, therefore, serves a valuable purpose not only for tourists, hunters, and mushroom pickers, but also for rural dwellers and suburban residents. Its effectiveness extends beyond deterring dogs to also include wild animals such as wolves, foxes, bears, and more. With a 650 ml capacity, the can offers around 40 short sprays, reaching up to 5 meters. Designed to endure temperatures ranging from 50 to -20 degrees Celsius. This spray is manufactured in Russia and is available for purchase at $40, providing a versatile solution for a wide range of users facing diverse wildlife encounters. Number 7. Welcome Air Blower Pro. These blowers are essential in auto repair shops for efficiently drying various coatings, including car enamel. A single Welcome 6150 blower offers a notable 40% increase in airflow, elevating the pressure to 3 bars and achieving an airflow rate of 265 liters per minute, enhancing productivity and effectiveness. This blower is available for purchase at $102. Its application in auto repair ensures a reliable and powerful solution for the precise and efficient drying of coatings, making it a valuable tool for professionals in the industry. Number 8. Ox Pro Claw Bar. Numerous hammers on the market assert their uniqueness, and this particular one distinguishes itself with a special head. According to the seller, the non-slip handle enhances its versatility, making it suitable not only for hammering nails, but also for prying and removing them. Available in 2 sizes, 25 and 30 centimeters, the larger variant is priced at $21, providing users with an option to choose the size that best suits their needs. This hammer promises to be more than just a conventional tool, offering additional functionality for various tasks beyond simple nail driving. Number 9. Dot Shot and Featherboard. The Dot Shot dispenser is a popular choice in warehouses and packaging shops due to its excellent performance. Even with cans and plastic bottles, it produces a line of glue dots spaced 3.2 millimeters apart, and the dot size adjusts according to the materials being glued. Priced at $80, the Dot Shot dispenser requires an additional $18 for a roll of tape. Another noteworthy tool is the featherboard, particularly useful when applying pressure to a workpiece with a circular saw. What sets these featherboards apart are their innovative feathers made from EVA, rendering them 5 times more kickback resistant than plastic alternatives. You can acquire a featherboard with 6 feathers for $35, providing a reliable solution for enhanced safety and precision in woodworking tasks. Number 10. Einhell Brillianto and Tubing Cutters. Let's discuss another cordless tool, ideal for window cleaning, the Einhell Brillianto. This device not only cleans, but also collects dirty water. To reach higher spots, there's a 120 centimeters extension available, along with various attachments. Its versatility extends beyond windows. You can use it on tiles, shower stalls, and more. The tool, without a battery, is priced at $58. In addition, for situations where a cordless cutter won't fit, the rigid handheld tubing cutters come in handy. Effective with copper pipes ranging from 12.7 to 19 millimeters in diameter, the spring-loaded cutting feature ensures a clean cut every time. You can acquire one for $42.